Hello, this is Andrew here at the Williams Claim. Taking a look at the roof, and I wanted to go over a few things. So we do have storm damage to some of the soft metals on the roof, as indicated by the engineer. Also did notice some impacts to the boot of this HVAC unit. Obviously we've got hail damage to the aluminum vent on top, and then this one on the bottom as well. So the engineer indicated that there was no legitimate hail damage on this roof. It was all mechanical, all vandalism, which I don't necessarily agree with, though I'm not an engineer. Is there a possibility that the engineer did miss some things? Of course, absolutely. So just taking a look at what we have up here. Hail impact. All right, here's another one. So one thing that I did notice when looking for wind, you can see that this shingle has been broken, the seal's been broken, and we can see where that line is, the crease line right here. On this shingle, however, the seal hasn't been completely broken. I'm giving that a decent tug, trying to get that seal to break, but we can see where it's giving and where that crease line is, right along here. I think if somebody were to come up here and do a handstorm or mechanical damage, they would go ahead and break the whole seal. All right, there's another example of that up here. Just for context, we see a blister right here, okay, as opposed to something like that, which is what we would call hail damage. You see the granules have been pushed into the mat. It's not a clean break where you can see the fiberglass underneath like that. Okay, so plenty of wind up here. Right, here's another one where this has been completely broken. This is not. You can see that the seal is only broken right here, and the corner's been lifted. Distinguishable line right there. Again, I think if somebody were going to go ahead and break this seal on purpose, the crease would be along up here, not down here. Okay, a couple more things. This shingle's been ripped. We could say wind-driven debris. You can see some debris in there right now. Big tree overhang right there. We have a repair right here. So we can see we've got 3 shingles that have been replaced. So we'll go 1, 2, 3 layers up. 3 layers up here. These 3 shingles are the ones that would be affected by repair. You can see the creasing because those shingles had to be lifted. These seals are still good. All right. This indicates that the shingle is not in a condition to be repaired from this repair right here. All right. Along the front, we've got some fascia damage. Okay. And then along the back, I skipped over it. Just to give you a good look, I was getting off the roof and I decided just to take a look at what some of the hail up here looked like. We saw what blistering looked like on the roof, but this to me, clear as day, hail impacts. All right. Well, thank you. I look forward to discussing the claim with you.